So I was scrolling my socials today and I saw this advert of frying fish for some fish and chips. So I thought, let me head over there and see what this is all about.
Ja, maar waar is hierdie frying fish wat julle so van praat? Where is it? Show me.
Wel Tannie, kom ek wys vir jou waar is die frying fish. Let me take you for a walk. Die straat, hierdie is, weet nie wat hierdie ding se naam is, maar dit is die pad wat loop van Margate af na Ivongo toe. En dan as jy hier links draai, ons gaan hier af, dit is die pad wat loop na Ivongo toe en die ding se naam is Ivongo Beach Road. There we have it, Ivongo Beach Road. So you turn left here, next to Just Property. En dan kom jy met jou voertuig, dan ry jy nou hier af, and then you can see there's an advertisement here of the frying fish. Here's the parking area. So you draai hier in. Here's the parking area. And you get yourself a parking and all. And if you know where the cove is, then you know where the frying fish is. Dis daar in die hoek. Lekker poolplek daar. So, dis warm hoor. She's very hot today. And there you have it. There is the frying fish. So let's order some fish and chips. Thanks. Can I get just a egg and chips, please?
Okay.
Small egg and chips, yeah. How much is it?
75 francs.
Okay, that's medium egg and chips.
So yes, small egg and chips.
Small egg and chips, yes.
Yes.
Okay. Aha. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Just move that aside. There you have it. Nice little fish and chips happening on that side. This is a small, so this is just enough for one person. $75, not too shabby. Let's do a bit of so yeah, there we go. Nice fish and chips. I added my own tomato sauce, of course, the gold standard of tomato sauce in there, but it looks yummy, nice, crispy. Chips, golden brown, fresh, not too oily, tiny bit of a crunch on the edge, and obviously very soft on the inside. Like a traditional slop chip. Not like the French fries of the takeaways, you know, those thin little Mac M's, those thin fries. It's nice and plump, juicy, a typical slop chip, like we call it in Afrikaans. Very nice. Let's have a look at the fish. Alright, so we hold it like this. I don't have a cameraman yet, so we're going to do this solo. So I just want to look at the batter to show you what the batter looks like, because usually you get fish that is, the batter is like bread. And I'm not a fan of, look at the batter, it's very, very thin. I'm not a fan of fish that is fried with a batter that's like bread. This is very, very thin. Absolutely love it. Not too much, because if your batter is too thick, like bread, it tends to suck up a bit more oil. Nou mien, raak 'n bietjie olierig, maar dan is dit ook nie lekker nie en dit gee so lelik, as die olie oud is, as hulle ag nee, fok, los dit eerder. So, dis lekker, dun, as jy daar kan sien, lekker dun, laagie breadcrumbs en so aan op hulle deegie. Hoe baie lekker. En dan natuurlijk die vis self. Ons kyk na die vis, check hom. Oeh, yummy. Kyk net daar, lekker stukkie vis. Magisch. Ja, hy loop mooi. So, R75 for the small egg and chips. How much is the large meat? Oh, so no vraag. Very nice. Kry my van die chips in die baard op. Baard man. Ek moet sê, fantastisch. Baie lekker, die vis is vars. Soos ek gesê, die deeg is lekker dun, hy is nie 'n stuk koek nie of brood. Amper soos 'n vis bunny chow, van die, jy weet, verstaan wat ek sê. En dan natuurlijk die chippy self, lekker slap chips. Koning man. En dan het hulle natuurlijk combos en al sulke goed wat ek later van tyd sal try. Calamari and chips, calamari combos, Russian and chips en so aan. And as time goes on, dan gaan ons maar weer kom draai. Want as hierdie mense op hulle tone hou, hulle gaan nie wegkom hier en slegte kos vir ons hier so in die suidkus gee nie, ons gaan hulle dophou. How much is your large steak and chips, man?
Large chicken chips,
100 rand, 99 or 100?
100
100 rand straight. Okay, so daar's hy. 'n 100 rand noot gaan vir jou 'n large chicken chips gee en daai visie is dan omtrent nog die helfte groter as die ding wat ek nou hier weet het. Maar dit is baie lekker. So. As jy nou lus is vir lekker vis en chips, kom jy na Frying Fish in die Wongo toe. These guys will be more than happy to serve you and help you. They've got combos. Hulle het 'n bietjie dessert daar in die yskas ook. Koolslaai, die werke. Kom try hulle gerus. Sê vir hulle Guru het jou gestuur. Tell them that Guru sent you. Good luck everybody. Hope you have a great Tuesday.